Good morning, this is Tim McGowan for the Finance News Network. Stocks rose Thursday as strong results from Meta Platforms boosted tech-related names and investors weighed the latest data on the US economy. Stocks rose despite weaker than expected GDP data, which may suggest to some investors that the Fed Reserve could soon wrap up its tightening campaign. The Fed is slated to announce their latest policy decision next week. The US economy grew by 1.1% in the first quarter, while economists polled by the Dow Jones forecast an expansion of 2%. The report also showed stronger than expected inflation, with prices increasing 4% compared with a consensus estimate of 3.7%. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped 1.57%, putting on pace for the best day since January 6. The Nasdaq Composite jumped 2.4%, while the S&P 500 climbed 2%. The market strength was driven by Meta Platforms' result after Microsoft and Google had set the bullish tone earlier this week. Meta shares jumped more than 14% as the company reported quarterly revenue that beat expectations and issued an upbeat forecast. After 3 straight quarters of falling revenue last year, the company finally saw an uptick in ad sales for a 3% revenue jump from Q1 2022. Profits were down, but the company still beat expectations and Facebook gained users again after losses last year. Several analysts hiked their price targets following the release. In aftermarket trading, there is further positive news out of the tech sector. Amazon has reported quarterly profit that topped estimates on its cost cuts and surprisingly strong sales in its cloud computing division, a sign the retailer's business is weathering an uncertain economy. The shares closed about 8% higher in extended trading. In commodity news, the iron ore price declines continues amid a slowing Chinese demand recovery. Iron ore prices have been impacted by a weaker than expected peak construction season in China, which generally runs from April through to June. Additionally, China's flagship campaign to squeeze debt from the real estate sector has led to subdued commodities demand as developers focus on completing existing projects with few new projects in the pipeline. Across the sectors, all sectors of the market rose, led by media and entertainment, software and services, and real estate companies. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.8% gain today. This is Tim McGowan. Have a great day.